All right, everybody, something I want you guys to think about when you're setting this up is some additional programs to look at into, okay? We go over here. Just gonna go to our library. Quit hitting A. Okay. Here's my non-Steam at the top. I've got Bottles and Lutris here, which are two things that are gonna help you put non-Linux programs on there. So like video games that are not in Steam that you want to install. Bottles actually has some of these things already pre-installed for you, where you can custom install. I'm actually going to download the images here soon. I have GeForce Now. If you look at Discover, you can download the GeForce Now app. I just did that. Obviously Google Chrome, Heroic Games Launcher, which is what's going to give you your Epic Game Store. This is also really, really easy to use and run. And it's not much more than just setting up a standard console for the first time. You'll actually have to go in and set up your wine for the first time. But once you do that, you will see that your games will launch and play. It does take an extra minute or two for the games to seem to load. But I did get everything up and running. It will correct itself here in just a moment. The game will load. This is Brothers that I got free on Epic. So all those free games that you're getting every week on the Epic Game Store are usable, as well as your cloud gaming. I have not tested the cloud gaming. Some research that I've done says that you have to run some scripts. So I'm going to have to go downstairs, plug it in tonight after the kids go to bed, and run and put some of the scripts in to make sure that the browser and everything has access to the controllers. But as you can see here, Brothers is running. I have it capped at 40, which is why it's got 40 at the top. But so far, so good. Again, I haven't even had this thing for 24 hours yet, personally. It got here on Friday, but I was out of town. But everything so far is going well. I have had the baby all day, so I've not been able to really play on it much. But from what I have done, everything seems to work well and without any issues. As you saw on my short earlier, when I first got this going, I ran into an issue to where it didn't want to exit correctly. But after I did update to a new version of Proton GE using Proton Up, which you can see right here, and I went to developer mode, I restarted and was able to select the new Proton GE, which is what I'm going to be using as I did when I ran Linux on my computer. If you guys have any questions or any comments, let me know. Again, I'm going to keep you guys updated on this. I'm very excited to have it. There's some things I want to mess around with, like the touch sensitivity, but I'll see you guys later. Thank you.